Hi, this video is going to be on customizing your login page and the cover letter. So the edit company information is in settings. I think it's the third or fourth option in your list. And I've already gone ahead and entered the information on the left-hand side. So this is the information that's going to be seen on the outside, the login screen of your page, of your system. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste, or type, might be faster. This is what's going to be displayed on the outside of your system for other people to see. That's all I'm going to put there. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and let's say I want my name, my company name, to be on the outside. So the system comes defaulted with Casetrackerlaw. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste, if I can, Evan Zucker. Let's see if I can get it in here this time. Okay. So now this is here. Now what I want to do is move it over to the center of the screen, bring it down a little bit, make it bold, and give it a new Times Roman. We can make it even bigger. And then I can also link this to a website if I wanted to. Just put the website in here and hit OK. Then down here, this is a sidebar. This is what is displayed on the login screen right underneath the company information. And then the frequently asked pet questions. You can put your own frequently asked questions on the screen. You can link up to a blog if you have one on this screen or that page. Then you can also tell your clients a little bit about yourself on the features screen. I'll just put some stuff on here. And then the cover letter. So the cover letter is important because this address, you can put your letterhead, your company address here. And this address and letterhead is going to show up on your invoices and statements that you generate in the system. It's also, you can also have this by default appear at the top of letters, demand letters, notices, and things like that that you create in your letter wizard. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a real quick address. So I'm going to hold the shift key down so that when I move down a space, it's not double spaced, it's single spaced. Let's see. So 12424 Oakfort Place, San Diego, California, 92131. And again, I can kind of make this nicer, pick out my font, give it a little bit of a size. I can center it, I can move it over. Let's say if I wanted to move this over a little bit to the right so that I make sure it gets into the letter. And I can also put in an icon or a logo, a company logo on this screen. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Let me make this just a little bit bigger. There. And then hit update. There has to be an email address. There is an email address here. So let's see if it takes it. I don't know what it's talking about. Must have a valid email address. This is what it's talking about. Update. There we go. Okay. So now if I log out and look at my front page, now I have Evan Zucker here. I can link this up. My address is over here on the right hand side. If I go to frequently asked questions, here's my little jib that I put in. Same with the blog screen and features. So that is how you customize your front page. So I'm going to log in one more time because you can do a little bit more with that. Go back to edit company information. So these little circles here, these are where color wheels, so you can color customize how your front page is going to look. Okay, so I'm going to leave that. I colored that. I can change the color of the square from this gray color to a lighter blue if I wanted to. Green maybe. How about red? So, and then hit save. And I hit update. So then if I log out, so now I have different colors up here. So that's how you can color code and customize your front page. Thank you for listening.